to musky, walleye, bass.
Big John's Fishing Show.
Okay, here we go. Woo! Hey guys, Big John here. Oh, there we go. Honey.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, Rick, Chris, John here. We're out, it's blowing pretty good here on the river, but it's cleaning up. We made one drift and we snagged one. That's it so far. So let's see if we can get these fish to actually hit our baits, and so we'll see if we can get onto something here, guys. Guarantee he catches a lot of bass while he's doing that too this time of year. Oh. Got one? You want me to get in that or are you good? I'll stay on the electric for your net. Here, I'll get the net.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Here, Chris, let's get a picture of you. There we go. Chris is walleye fishing, guys. The guy who hates walleye fishing. What do you guys say, Chris?
Well, felt good.
Felt good?
Lake's on blue. The color of the lake is on blue. Lake of Amazing, just like you see it.
Really, eh? A little rough right now. Rick's got him. There we go. Nice one, Ricker. There you go, bud.
In the rooftop.
Good job, buddy. Get a nice picture of you there with it when it's done. Oh, there we go. There you go, Ricker. Nice fish, buddy. There we go.
Honey.
You got fish? What do you got, Chris? You're not talking too much back there. Oh, hey, show the camera. Nice one. We'll head over there after this one. Go see what's. Oh, there we go.
Nice, Johnny.
Yeah. I'll just flip them in. Or if you want.
Dude.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, Chris is in the game here. Chris is in the game. What the net? There we go. Hang on. Nice one, Chris.
Why was there a bunch of sand in my water?
There's no sand in your water, Chris. You're not all there.
What the hell?
Okay, guys, so that's the end of our adventure today. It was rough, but the Delta, Starcraft Delta 180, blah, 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 blah.
Rambling and rambling and rambling again.
The old Starcraft handled the water good. It's nice having 36 volts at the front there. It can handle anything. Guys, we're fishing mid-river, Canadian side, but as close as we can be to American waters without going on American waters. And yeah, we ended up with, what we get, 6-7 fish?
7 fish, yeah.
Yeah, we fished a long time for those 6-7 fish, so.
Great day
Yeah.
to be out with Big John.
Yeah, it was fun. We got Chris and his dad out, and yeah, it wasn't on fire, but it's better than sitting on the couch at home. So, and Rick did good. Rick got 2. Chris got a few. I think Chris might have got 3. I got 2. So yeah, Rick's definitely got biggest fish of the day. So I guess we gotta buy him the coffee next time. Oh, I'll show you Rick's fish here. Rick kept a few. He's gonna go home and have some for dinner. Yeah. So cheers, guys. Love yous all. Be positive. Rick, Chris, John is out. Cheers, guys. Love yous all. Big John's out. Be positive. Don't be negative. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And yeah, man. Cheers.